In 2020, the world shut down. In 2023, layoffs became normal. But 2026 won't just be another hard year. It will be the year millions of workers realize something terrifying. The system no longer needs them the way it used to. This isn't about laziness. This isn't about people not wanting to work. This is about technology moving faster than humans, companies cutting deeper than ever before, and jobs quietly disappearing without headlines. If you think 2024 and 2025 were rough, 2026 will feel different. Today, we're counting down the 10 reasons why 2026 will be brutal for workers. From tech layoffs and AI replacement to job scarcity and the remote work migration that's quietly destroying wages. Stay until the end, because reason number 1 is already happening, and most workers don't see it coming. As number 10, the tech layoffs were just the beginning. Most people think tech layoffs are over. They're not. What you saw in 2023-2025 was companies like Google, Amazon, Meta, Microsoft. They didn't lay people off because they were failing. They laid people off because In 2026, tech layoffs won't look dramatic. No mass emails, no viral LinkedIn posts. Instead, it'll look like this. Teams quietly dissolved, roles paused indefinitely, positions never refilled, software engineers, product managers, data analysts, roles once considered bulletproof, are now competing with of applicants for a single opening. And here's the scary part. Many of those jobs tech was the safety net for the modern worker. In 2026, that net is gone. And if tech collapses, other industries follow. Shots number 9. AI is no longer a tool. For years, companies said, AI will help workers. AI will boost productivity. That was marketing. In 2026, the truth becomes obvious. AI doesn't assist workers. It replaces them. Customer support, AI chat systems, content writing, AI generated, marketing analysis, AI dashboards, legal research, automated, accounting, partially automated, even entry-level coding, handled by AI copilots. Here's what companies realized. One AI system doesn't take breaks. It doesn't ask for raises. It doesn't get sick. So in 2026, companies won't ask, should we use AI? They'll ask, how many humans can we remove? And the workers hit first? Not executives, not shareholders, mid-level professionals, the backbone of the workforce. Number 8, entry-level jobs are disappearing. Every generation starts somewhere, except the next one. In 2026, entry-level jobs become the rarest jobs in the market. Why train a junior employee when AI can do the same task instantly? Why hire a graduate when one senior worker plus AI can do the work of 5 people? Companies now want experience, proven results, immediate productivity, no patience, no training, which creates a brutal loop. You need experience to get a job, but you need a job to get experience. Millions of young workers will feel locked out. And older workers? They'll feel trapped, afraid to quit bad jobs. This is how stagnation begins. Number 7, job scarcity will feel invisible. In past recessions, job losses were loud. Factories closed, stores shut down. In 2026, job scarcity is job boards full of fake listings, positions posted, then canceled, interviews that go nowhere, companies saying, we're hiring, but never actually hiring. This creates psychological damage. Workers start blaming themselves. Maybe I'm not good enough. But the truth is simpler. Automation plus cost-cutting plus AI means fewer roles overall. The economy may look stable on paper, but workers will feel the pressure every day. Number 6. Remote work migration is crushing wages. Remote work sounded like freedom. Work from anywhere. Live cheaper. Escape expensive cities. But by 2026, the downside becomes obvious. When everyone can work from anywhere, companies can hire from anywhere. That means global wage competition, salary compression, fewer raises. Why pay a U.S. worker $90,000 when someone abroad will do it for $35,000? Remote work didn't empower workers. It empowered employers. And the workers who moved to cheaper cities? They'll face rising rent, local job shortages, lower pay than expected. The dream turns into survival. Number 5. Cities will compete, and workers will lose. In 2026, cities are desperate. Tax bases shrinking, people leaving, businesses cutting back. So cities will compete for employers by offering tax breaks, weaker labor protections, lower wages, and workers, they'll be forced to choose lower pay or no job at all. This race to the bottom doesn't happen overnight. It happens quietly, and once wages fall, they rarely recover. Number 4. Benefits will disappear before pay does. Most workers watch their salary, but in 2026, the real cuts happen elsewhere. Health insurance downgraded, 401k matches reduced, paid leave eliminated, schedules made unstable. Companies won't say, "We're cutting benefits." They'll say, "We're restructuring." The paycheck looks the same, but life gets harder, and workers won't realize how bad it is until they need those benefits. Number 3. Multiple jobs become normal and exhausting. In 2026, one job won't be enough, not because people want more money, but because one job won't cover life. So workers will freelance at night, drive on weekends, take side gigs constantly. This isn't hustle culture, it's survival culture. Burnout becomes universal, and when everyone is exhausted, companies gain even more power. Number 2. Workers will be blamed for a system they didn't create. When things get bad, someone always gets blamed. In 2026, it won't be corporations. It'll be workers. You didn't adapt. You didn't upskill. You chose the wrong career. But no amount of skills saves you when the system needs fewer humans. This blame keeps workers divided, and division keeps them weak. Number 1. The biggest lie. This is temporary. The most dangerous belief workers will have in 2026 is thinking this is temporary, that jobs will come back, that wages will bounce back, that things will return to normal. They won't. This is a structural shift. AI, automation, global labor, cost cutting. The workforce is being permanently reshaped, and the workers who survive 2026 won't be the strongest. They'll be the most adaptable. If you're working right now, this isn't meant to scare you. It's meant to wake you up. Because 2026 won't be brutal for those who prepare, but for those who ignore the signs, it will change their lives forever. Comment below. Do you think jobs are disappearing or just changing? And if this video opened your eyes, subscribe. More truths are coming.